Introducing the PowerPress Truss Table from Baumeister Equipment Sales. A powerful hydraulic jack and box truss assembly table designed to press plates firmly and precisely into place for fast, consistent results. Take the guesswork out of jack and box truss assembly with the PowerPress Truss Table built for speed, strength, and simplicity. Engineered for consistent, high-quality results, this compact powerhouse uses a high-force hydraulic system to press plates firmly into place. It features programmable compression ranging from 2,500 to 3,000 psi. A clear, easy-to-read gauge allows precise adjustment to ensure the correct pressure setting for each application. Once calibrated, the press automatically maintains the specified level, delivering consistent, reliable results throughout the entire production run. User-friendly controls, built-in safety features, and ergonomic design reduce fatigue and keep your crew working efficiently and confidently. Designed specifically for jack and box trusses and adaptable up to 72-inch peak heights, it speeds up production, handles varied designs, and minimizes downtime. With durable steel construction, easy maintenance access, and expandability up to 40 feet, it's built to grow with your operation. The PowerPress Truss Table, a smart investment in quality, safety, and productivity, built to last. Ready to work.